$25 million worth of cocaine was seized in the Pacific Ocean, and the four men operating that boat are headed to Columbus to be prosecuted.
Yeah, the men are from Ecuador and Mexico, and they were taken into custody back in August in the Pacific Ocean all the way over by the Galapagos Islands. But a new initiative allows them to go on trial here in Columbus. NBC4's Rick Reitzel explains why.
The U.S. Attorney says of the more than 1,500 pounds of cocaine seized by the Coast Guard, some of it would have eventually made its way back to Central Ohio. This is the only time a local federal prosecutor has gone after international drug traffickers with these type of charges.
This is the first time that the Southern District of Ohio has ever charged violation of the Maritime Drug Law Enforcement Act.
Four men are on their way to Columbus to face a grand jury. Glassman says 3 Ecuadorians and 1 Mexican national created plenty of drama when the bust went down.
They started throwing overboard packages. The helicopter fired warning shots at the vessel, which did not heed the warning shots, and eventually the helicopter disabled that vessel.
He says they'll continue investigating and prosecuting local, regional, and national drug rings.
But we're not satisfied with that. This case is an example where we will go as far as we have to go, even into international waters, to stop the drugs before they reach the United States.
Glassman says the 4 men could face anywhere from 10 years to life behind bars, and says the U.S. Coast Guard is making a record number of busts this year. More than 50,000 pounds of drugs worth $670 million, including this bust, are being offloaded at San Diego as we speak. At the federal courthouse, Rick Reitzel, NBC4.